from Candy from LPS Lover. Well, not exactly, but I'm like her. Hi. Well, my name is Tattoo because I usually all the tattoo, and this is Candy? Cassidy! You might as well call me Candy. Anywho, these are all of the LPS I got. But here's the problem. My mom won't let me have them. She wants to return it back to Amazon. I don't want that to happen. I don't have this. I never had that one, or this, or this, or this, or the other one. But you can't see it. So that's why. Are you barely talking? That's because you won't let me talk, you little brat. Run away, you go. Yeah, my mother won't let me keep it, so what are you YouTubers suggested? The LPS Dragon keep these? Or don't, because they could be in some new episodes, or vlogs, or anything you guys want. Except for music, because I'm still learning how to do that. Yeah, the first one was not good. Look. See? Not good. Not good. So, yeah. So please, make our parents keep them. Because if we don't, who knows what we're going to. Yeah, and FYI, the music you hear in the background is A Rebel to Earth from Transformers. I'm a big fan! I'm not a big fan of Scarves Dream anymore then. That's because of your producer. Your producer of Scarves? Anyway, well, what do you suggest? Yes or no? To keep these and show them on some YouTube videos? Or no, and return them back to Amazon and have to wait another freaking 4 months. So, your choice. Let me show you them. The second, third, fourth. I think we should. Yeah, me too. But Mom, you suck. So, is it a yes or a no? Please write it on the description below. Or we will. Farewell. Goodbye. Farewell.